This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Pull out the safety catch and open the bonnet. Position the jack head under the centre of the front subframe. Then raise the vehicle until the wheels are clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with axle stands under the reinforced sections of the door sill flange. The engine undertray is secured by various screws around its circumference. Undo the screws and lower the front section of the undertray from place. Undo the remaining screws and remove the rear section of the undertray. The engine oil filter is located at the rear of the engine on 1.8 litre models and at the front left-hand side on 2 litre and 2.3 litre models. Clean the area around the filter and place absorbent rags around the housing. Using a suitable socket, unscrew the filter cap and remove it along with the filter element. Mop up any spilled oil and clean the inside of the filter housing. Position a suitable container beneath the engine sump. Unscrew the sump drain plug and allow the oil to drain into the container. Remove the old sealing washer and clean the drain plug. Fit a new sealing washer, then refit the drain plug and tighten it to the specified torque. Remove the container from beneath the vehicle. Manoeuvre the rear section of the undertray into position, then refit and securely tighten the retaining screws. Manoeuvre the front section of the undertray into place, then refit and securely tighten the screws. Remove the axle stands and lower the vehicle to the ground. Pull the old filter element from the cap. Thoroughly clean the cap inside and out, paying special attention to the threads. Using a small screwdriver, prise the 3 O-ring seals from the cap then clean the grooves. New seals are normally supplied along with the new filter element. Beginning with the largest, slide the new O-ring seals into place. Slide the new filter element onto the cap. Lubricate the new O-ring seals with a little clean engine oil. Manoeuvre the filter cap into position, then tighten it to the specified torque. Rotate the filler cap anti-clockwise and remove it. Where fitted, remove the oil level dipstick, then fill the engine, using the correct grade and type of oil. Pour in 3 litres of oil first, and then wait a few minutes for the oil to run down into the sump. Continue adding oil a small quantity at a time until the level is up to the lower mark on the dipstick. Finally, top up the oil level, bringing it to the upper mark on the dipstick. Insert the dipstick. On models with no dipstick fitted, the oil level is checked on the multifunction display panel on the instrument panel. At this stage, pour in 5 litres of oil and then check the level with the display unit. With the level correct, refit the filler cap. Start the engine and allow it to run for a few minutes. Note that there may be a delay before the oil pressure warning light goes out, as the oil circulates through the engine. Switch off the engine and wait at least 5 minutes for the oil to settle in the sump once more. With the new oil circulated and the filter completely full, recheck the level on the dipstick and add more oil as necessary. On models with no dipstick, check the multifunction display unit on the instrument panel to check the level in the engine. Firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure.